how to make money on ClickBank for free in 2021. And I'm going to show you step by step for beginners, guys. So like, hey, what's going on? It's your boy O'Brien Street. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys like how to make money with ClickBank for totally free in 2021. It's going to be a step by step tutorial. And guys, if you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel, because I'm going to be creating more videos like this on a daily basis. And guys, what I'm going to do today, I'm going to actually turn off this camera because when I have it on, the thing freeze. So alright, awesome guys. So you guys probably wondering like, oh Brian, how am I gonna make money on ClickBank for totally free in 2021? This seems like an impossible task, but guess what guys, it's very simple to do, and there's a lot of persons out there that's actually doing it. But most person, when they're just starting out online, they didn't do it the right way. I'm going to show you guys how to do this step by step, so you guys don't need to like worry about anything. Everything is going to be in this video. So let's start out now. So the first thing is just going to be in 3 simple steps, guys. So the first thing is you're going to actually what, find a niche or an offer, also create a quick website and find traffic. Just to let you know, everything is going to be totally free, and also no spamming, because most person, when they're saying like traffic, they think about going on Facebook, going on where, go spam your link, go put your link everywhere. No, we're not gonna do that, right? And also, no, for persons like say, hey, I don't want to be using YouTube, I don't know how to create YouTube video. No, you're not going to be creating any YouTube video either. So this is going to be an amazing video, so let's get started. All right guys, so step one is actually finding a niche or an offer, and you're going to say like, oh Brian, how am I going to find a niche or an offer, right? So there's actually the 3 like top niches that I would actually recommend to you guys, and I'm going to actually show you them. All right, awesome. So the best niches out there. So it's the wealth, health and fitness, relationship slash dating, or softwares. Software is an extra one, even though I said 3. A software is an extra one. It's an extra bonus to you guys, because most persons out there, like when you start an online business, you're gonna need software like ClickFunnels, Builderall, Aweber, all of those stuff. So they're actually great things to promote, and they have high ticket products on the back end, which is what I actually love about affiliate marketing. But mainly we're gonna just focus on these 3. So now what I'm gonna do is actually take you over to ClickBank, sorry, and actually show you how to get and find the proper things step by step. All right, guys. So most of you guys who must know ClickBank, but if you don't know ClickBank is actually an affiliate website where you can actually find almost any product out there. All right. So this is ClickBank. So what you're gonna do, the first thing is actually go ahead and create an account. It's actually very simple to do. It's totally free and it's almost available worldwide. So you can just go ahead and pick your country. But guys, it's just a very simple process, right? So once you're logged in, all you're gonna do is actually come to the marketplace. This is where you're gonna actually find those amazing products, guys. So as you can see, ClickFunnels have a lot of categories right here. But what did we say? We're just gonna focus on those 4 categories, which is the health, wealth, relationship, and also softwares. So we're just gonna go on the categories and pick something out of one of these, guys. All right, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna pick the best one, which is health and fitness right here. All right, so it's actually loading up. So health and fitness. So if you actually look at this right now, boom guys, so here is some products, right? So if you actually promote this product right now, you're gonna get $140.25. This $175.38. This $103. So there's a lot of variety of products here. But the thing is that we're not just gonna pick a product, so we have to look at certain things, especially the gravity right here. This gravity is actually $503 and 68 cents. That's a good thing about this product. So, and also look if they have affiliate page right here. This is it. Always try to promote a product where the gravity is actually higher than 100, right? So now what we're gonna do, what most affiliate do is actually come here, click promote, and then grab your link. Grab your link right here. After you grab your link, then you actually just, once you generate the link, alright, I didn't put in my name right here, but as you can see, 75% commission. Awesome, right? So, but most people just come grab the link and also start spamming it. Not, we're not gonna do that. Definitely no. Now we're gonna take a look at this product, right? So it's for belly fat taxi, right? So first, read about the product, see the reason, look at the resources that they have. Senior, it's actually a good product. Let's check on some more details, see if you have more details. So you have like high ticket conversion, email, so they give you email sequence on check-in pins, Facebook ads, resourceful, resource headlines, and then commission statements. So that they show you how the commission is set, but let's look for something more. Pop-up ads, commission based, landing page, tag curving, conversion, email inbox. Let me check pop-up. Let me check. All right, not this. I'm trying to look for some more deep info on this. But looking here, guys, it's actually an amazing product where it's selling, and people are actually buying this for to show you that the gravity is actually over 503. That means over over 500 person actually promote this, and over 500 sales within the last 30 days or 28 days. Also, guys, for a quick tip, if you want to just find the best promoting product on ClickBank right now without actually going to through to the health or fitness, which I recommend you do it, you just click on search right here without actually typing anything in. And as you see, I click on search, it just pop up. So the product that we were just on is the top selling product right now. After that, then it's this 175, 160. That seems like it's showing the same thing. Let me double check on this. Oh crap. Let me log back in. Alright, awesome guys. So these look like the best selling products here. Right now, this is the number one product. So what you guys can do this is just go ahead, get on the info. This is all of the info that they're actually providing. Let's check on the affiliate website. Let just show reasons. Okay, we're doing some research, right? So this is what the page that the customer would actually be take to. All right, awesome. So looking here is gonna be a sales script where they're gonna have a simple video, and that's gonna actually explain everything. Once person actually finish watch the video, then the offer is gonna come up, right? So seeing that we actually pick the offer, what next, all right? Like what is the next step to get in this done? So the next step is creating an quick website, which is a free website. So there's actually options out there where you can create pay for like softwares, which is gonna be much better, and the graphics is gonna be much better and stuff like that. But this is, I'm just gonna show you the free method today, guys. Let's go. So the first free one is actually Groovy Funnels, which is a totally free website where you can create funnel builder and everything. Everything is gonna be free for you. They do have pay version, but you don't need to worry about that. You're just gonna go ahead, sign up for it, and get a free one. I'm gonna have the link to the free version down below. And once you sign up through my link, guys, you're gonna actually get lifetime for free. All right. So because this free time is actually gonna be up. The next one is actually WordPress. So you go on Google, search for WordPress. Then after you search for WordPress, then you go on um, pricing. So plans and pricing. Once you do that, you just click on start with free. So instead of going here or picking personal or premium business and then e-commerce, you just click on free, guys. Very simple. So I'm gonna log in. Alright, awesome guys. So I'm actually logged into WordPress now. So you can see right now I'm using getting free domain, which is everything free. I didn't upgrade or anything. So once you're here, what you're gonna do is actually click on write. And what you're gonna do is actually write articles or actually blogs about this. But you're gonna say, hey O'Brien, I don't know what to write about, how to write it and stuff like that. Let me show you what. So how to write an convertible blog post video anything, guys. It's all within these three things. Hook, which is the problem. So what's the problem that you're hoping to solve, guys? Use that. Hook them. A story is actually gonna tell them, like, give them a story, because most persons, like almost everyone, relate to a story. So give them a story about the experience of this, and then like what you were going through, then what actually prevent you from going through that, what solved it, and then after the closure, which is the offer, you're gonna say, hey, to take it to the next level, if you wanna actually join this or get this result that I actually got, go ahead and click this link right here. And once you do that, person is gonna actually go ahead and click that link, because this is the three-step formula, guys. This is the gold mine, right? So the next thing now, right? The third thing, guys, is actually getting traffic, and I actually recommend three traffic source, which is these, right? Forum, blogging, and also Pinterest. Pinterest is my highly recommended. So let's go over it. All right. So guys, on Pinterest, what you're gonna be doing is actually creating simple short pins where you can use Canva to create pins like these, and just have them, and then have the link to your article or to your website, your WordPress website, in the pin, and person is gonna actually go in over there and click on it. So you can just upload 5 to 10 pins per day. And what you can say, hey O'Brien, I don't have any idea on what content to create, or how to set up the pins around it. What you can do is actually go ahead and actually look for a person that's actually promoting that, and then you go actually promote, model what they're doing, guys. So this is the very easiest way I can actually show you how to make money on ClickBank. So guys, if you want more in-depth training on this, all you need to do is go ahead and click the link in the bio, which is going to be my number one recommended way, and how to start an high ticket affiliate marketing business, guys. And to be honest, guys, I'm telling you, this is the best option for you guys in 2021, is high ticket affiliate marketing. So I would recommend that you actually go ahead and click that link and get started today.